Hey guys, welcome back to Frequently Asked Questions. And in today's video, basically if you clicked on this video, you are trying to withdraw your Temu credit balance. So I don't want to waste your time like the other videos. I'm going to be straight up with you, okay? Your credit balance can only be used for the purchases on a Temu. You'll not be able to redeem your Temu credits for cash because the credits in your Temu account will never expire as well. So what happens, guys, is you can only use this for purchases on Temu. You can't redeem them for cash. And if your order is refunded to credit and you want to change the refund method to your original payment method, do not use the credit that has been returned. Then what you can do is you can just ask customer service for help. So I hope this video, helped you out. It shed some light for you and cleared the confusion. So I hope this video helps you out. And if it did, guys, consider smashing that like button as well as subscribing to Frequently Asked Questions. Turn on those bell notifications, guys, so you get notified of the next video. And I'll see you in the next one.